So hello guys, welcome to Smart InfoVision YouTube channel, a name of trust. So today we are going to give you an in-depth review of one of the most advanced interactive flat panel in the market, which is Benchmark's Sigma AI A7 Pro. Now, this panel will change you how you teach, how you present, and how you collaborate with your content. Let's start with the design and display of this interactive flat panel because your content deserves to look stunning. Now, this comes with the 4K HDR resolution screen. You can play video immersively. Now, if I talk about the screen sizes, there are three variants: 65 inches, 75 inches, and 85 inches as per your usage. And it also comes with 178 degree viewing angle. That means whether the student are on the left or on the right, it equally looks good and your content are visibly clear. Now, if I talk about the scratch, the glass is scratch resistant and it comes with anti-glare screen as well. The most important aspect of any smartboard is how the writing experience is. The Sigma AI A7 Pro excels in that. It comes with 40 multi-touch points and a lightning fast 3 millisecond touch response rate, which feels like you're writing on a paper. And actually, you can feel it once you write on it. See, no lag. And it also comes with gesture recognition, so you can use your erasers easily, right? Now let's talk about the power and performance inside Sigma AI A7 Pro. It is powered by Android 14, as well as it comes with 8 GB of RAM and an octa-core processor, which means you can easily swipe between the apps without lagging or a hanging issue. See, I'm simply switching between the apps and there is no lag. Simply just one tap and it's very easy to use it. Talk about the storage. It is 128 GB, which is a plenty of the storage to download your files, save your content, and reuse it again and again. Now, it also comes with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi support, as well as a dedicated slot for OPS. So you can switch between the other and Windows software as well. Communication is the key in today's digital world, and this promise is fulfilled by Benchmark Technomate Sigma AI A7 Pro. When it comes to the communication, you get a dedicated camera and a 4-array multi-directional mic, which means you are clearly audible and you are clearly visible. Now, let's talk about this front-firing speakers. These are 20 plus 20 watts stereo speaker, high-quality stereo speaker if I talk about. Now, whether you are in a presentation, whether you are in an office meeting, whether you are in an I'll say 40 or 24 students room, your content is clearly audible and you are also clearly audible. Now, if I talk about the connectivity, this is where the Sigma AI A7 stands alone. It comes with a dedicated Type-C port, one HDMI port, and a touch cable and multi-purpose 4 USB 3 cables as well. That means you will be connected. You can connect your multiple devices at the same time. You can connect your laptop with the touch cable and use it simultaneously. Now let's remove the curtain and talk about the teaching tools of Sigma AI A7 Pro. And trust me, it makes it stands out in the market. It has a dedicated content button where you will be getting all the major state boards and NCERT books right at your fingertips. Forgone the days when you were carrying all the books on your pen drive. Right now, all the books are at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about I have all the subjects of class 8. I have all the subjects of my class 12th as well. And not only this, I have my languages as well available. Apart from this, the AI buzz we are all talking about, isn't it? But what makes it stand out is the Sigma AI A7 Pro comes with a dedicated AI. So it is not connected with a Gemini or a ChatGPT something. It has its own AI. It uses it integrated AI properly. Now let's do something. I'll search for an image and I'll take a general topic. The topic will be atoms. And the grade will be, let's say, 10th. It will particularly generate high quality images every time. See, let's take this image, or let's say this image as well. See, right at my fingertips, I can just check out these images as well, and I can see, I can delete them as well directly. This is the AI bot which gives you access of everything at your fingertips. Whatever the video you are searching, whatever the image you are searching, and not only this, it helps you provide you the AI on PDF option as well. That means whatever the PDF you upload, you can use AI on it. You can generate your own question with the help of AI. Sounds interesting, isn't it? Now I can also generate quizzes right away and ask student to answer it. See. And when I talk about the integrated AI, that means whatever I am writing, whatever I am posting on this board, it is AI enabled. Let me show you an example. As I click on this image, I can get an AI button, and through that button, I can summarize this image. I can generate a quiz from this image. It will generate a key concept and even generate a lesson as well. Let's generate lessons. See, the lesson is generated with just this flick. Now you can see that I have my content available here itself. Every content is available right now. I have a video, I have my images as well. See, and again, you will be getting proper high quality images as well as we speak. Now it comes with further features as well, but I guess I can't tell you all the features right now at the same time. It will take me a couple of hours as well. So what I'll recommend is come to the nearest Smart InfoVision branch and have the experience of this. And you can also take online demo as well for this beautiful device, for the Sigma AI A7 Pro. And trust me, the AI option which you have seen right now, it is just the tip of the iceberg. You can share your content right away and your QR is generated. You can scan your QR and directly all the PDF format content available which you taught will be available at your fingertips, and the student will be happy. Now let's talk about this safety and durability of Sigma AI A7 Pro. It comes with 4 mm toughened glass with 9H hardness level, and it is as smooth as it is. See, it also comes with the NFC card support, which you can also use as a reader, where the multiple faculties can use it for their IDs. But yes, you can lock your device as well. See? And just gone those days when you were using to type the password. All you need right now is the NFC card and the device is unlocked. Now for the long sessions, if your eyes are straining, you will have a blue light filter effect as well, where the students and you are also protected. Now, with all of these plethora of features, the question comes in my mind or everyone's mind is, who is it for? I'll say, I think it's for everyone. Whether you are a school, whether you are a trainee, whether you are a corporate office, I think this device will act as your best friend. And matter of fact, I'm thinking to purchase one for myself as well. Want to see this device in action? Book your demo today with Smart InfoVision. And we have 8 branches across India. And just in case, if you are not nearby a branch, don't worry, we have your back. You can book your online demos as well. Thanks for watching the videos. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Smart InfoVision channel for more tech videos. Thank you so much, guys.